We got a long day ahead of us. We have to install our first carbon fiber 992 GT3 kit today, and it's gonna be a long day, long night, so stay tuned. Really stoked on this. I think this is gonna be like a pretty special video because this is our first carbon kit going on the car. And let me put the music down, sorry. We just took the parts the other day to Premium OC. They PPF'd all the parts for us. We're gonna install the kit. This is gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be a long day, long night. Might be there till like, I don't know, maybe 3, 4 in the morning today. It's currently 2 p.m. I was supposed to get an early start, but I just couldn't get out of bed. I've been so tired lately, and then my stomach was just all fucked up last night. So I couldn't get out of bed. I'm gonna go eat this patai bowl at this nice little view spot that I like to go. And kind of just relax my mind before a long day, long night working on the car. But even though we haven't launched yet, we've been doing pretty well. I think May was probably our best month so far. I think we did about like 25-30K in sales, so really good for not being like out in the public, you know, and looking forward to launching and seeing those sales go up as soon as the website is live. I can't wait for it. Pretty stoked just to stay busy and just, what is it? Engine oil. Fuck, I gotta do my oil change. Bro, I haven't had time to do anything. I gotta do the oil change in the Supra. Next video. You guys will see me doing the oil change in the Supra. It really does need it. I used to love going up here in my Z. Oh shit. Since it's all uphill, I would just like floor it at low RPMs and let off, and then you just hear the turbo flutter like the whole way up. It was so sick, and then it just echoes through here, through the mountains or the hills, whatever you want to call it. My favorite little view spot up here, and I just kind of want to be alone, or when I'm alone and just want some time to think or just relax my mind, I guess. Everyone needs that. Get my little picnic going. It's my little bench over here where I like to sit down and be lonely. Look at this view over here. See the ocean way over there. It's harder to see on the camera right now, but it is beautiful outside today. Got ourselves a little patai bowl. My goal in life is to one day have a house somewhere up there in the hills. I think a lot of people want money for the wrong reasons. I think it's to flex or show that they have money, but for me, it is for freedom. That way I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, go out with my friends, my family, hang out whenever I want. It's not even about having all the money in the world and all this shit to flex or anything like that. I mean, look at me, I dress so casual. Like, I wear a normal t-shirt, freaking wear slip-on Vans. I've had these for like over a year. Just normal clothing, $50, $40 pants. I really don't care about wearing like crazy jewelry or flexing with any type of materialistic stuff like that. I just want some cars, a nice house with a view, and freedom, and that's it. I think I would feel comfortable living if I made about $80,000 a month. If I could make $80,000 profit a month, I think that would be like the sweet spot for me. To have a few cars, a nice house, one here, one back at home in Palm Springs where I grew up. Then also some money to take care of my family, like my mom, my dad, my brothers, my sisters. I have a big family. But for now, we just grind and grind every day until we make it to that point. And I know we will. So stay tuned, because we will get to that point. All right, well, let's head out. We gotta go install this GT3 kit. All right, we have Adam's car here, getting his full 992 GT3 carbon kit. We have his front lip. It's gonna go there. Front bumper air dam. These belong to the lip. Have the side skirts right here. Wing end plates, rear valence or diffuser, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna replace the front bumper air dam, the lip, side skirts here. He already has the carbon mirror caps. Wing end plates are gonna be changed out. This whole piece is gonna be swapped out. Adam killed a pigeon going through the canyons. Oh! The baby starts right up. Alright, we got the front lip off and one of the side skirts off now. Look at this fitment. How perfect it fit all the way across. Look at that. These things look so much better in carbon. GT3 RS if you look closely. Putting on the wing end plates right now. So the OEM ones, if you guys don't know, they're just 3M'd on there. I thought they were bolted on there somehow, but I guess it's just 3M. It does have these holes, but there's no screws going through them. And ours, just 3M right onto, just like the OEM ones. Since the side skirt was really easy, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the other one on. The air dam's a little bit harder to take off, so I'm gonna work on that last. This thing took maybe like, I don't know, 10 minutes max. All right, this side's on. We actually didn't need to take this off. This is now the next day, and this is the progress we've gotten done so far. We started pretty late last night, so now we're back at it again. So far we have the bumper off right now. It's right over there. It's really hard to work on the bumper because it's super flimsy, because when you take off the whole front air dam, it just becomes like one piece like this, and it's super flimsy, so it's really hard to work on, super hard to put the air dam in. So we're gonna finish that last. I took the car outside and the carbon looks beautiful. It looks so nice. It matches the GT3 inside here, the OEM carbon. We also got these on the wing end plates. They look beautiful, so nice. I feel like if you have a GT3 or GT3 RS, you have to get these in carbon. They just look so good. It's so perfect. Me personally, I wouldn't do the carbon wing. I would just leave it paint match like this if it comes like this. I think this looks really sick with just the carbon wing end plates there. We do have the carbon diffuser on as well. We're still trying to work with it and get it on there perfectly. For the most part, it looks really good. One thing I didn't notice is that Adam actually got his bumper, this whole piece right here, wrapped black. It used to be color matched white. I had no idea. For some reason I thought it came like this, but this is how the GT3 RS bumper comes. It comes in all black plastic with this piece and this piece. He told us he wants to leave the wrap on, but we kind of think that it would look better if it was color matched white with carbon, because I feel like the white, black, and carbon kind of throws the carbon off a little bit. It kind of doesn't really blend in that well. There's like 3 different colors, like white, black, carbon. So I think it's throwing it off a little bit. Pretty nice getting to work on a 992 GT3. The first Porsche we worked on, well, that I worked on, was the 991.2 GT3 RS, the green one. Now we get a 992 GT3. Now we're just waiting for a 992 GT3 RS pretty soon to come, and throw a full carbon kit on it as well. Can't wait for that. That's gonna be super sick. But for now, I'm enjoying throwing on carbon on this 992 GT3. I think this video might drop after we release the carbon kit online on social media and let everyone know about it, but you guys are basically getting to see behind the scenes of installing our first 992 GT3 kit on my YouTube channel, so pretty cool. Got my shorts on, changes real quick, because we're gonna go get some food real quick, and I don't like getting inside my cars when I'm dirty. So let's go get some food. I don't know where my keys are. There's this place down the street called Northgate that's really good. It's like a Mexican market, but they have like a ton of restaurants in there, like little restaurants. They sell the best food. It's like literally Disneyland for Mexicans. You can find anything like from Mexico there, like everything. It's so sick. I love going there. They have some bomb ass tortas. Alexa, lights off. All right, let's head out, go get a torta, and then we'll come back. Whoop. My GT3 for now, until I can get myself a GT3 soon, one day. Maybe once we work on like 20 more 992 GT3 RSs, I'll be able to afford one for myself. But for now, all the money that we make right now for the business goes right back into the business. I don't see a single dollar. I think the most we've used from the business is maybe on food for us. Maybe like I've used maybe like 40 bucks on food. But other than that, all the money that we make just goes right back into the business, because if you don't keep throwing it back into the business, you're just gonna get stuck and it's not gonna grow unless you already have a ton of money to start out with, you know. But yeah, all the money that you make, like, I don't know, the first 6 months or year, depending on your business, just has to go right back in to keep growing it. If not, you're just gonna get stuck in the same spot if you keep spending that money, which sucks because you make all this money. Like, I think in May we did like $25,000 to $30,000, and I didn't get to see $1 from that. Maybe we got some food, I can't remember, but other than that, it's not like we're like paying ourselves out or anything yet. We don't get no money from that, so it just goes back in. So right now, yeah, I still work like a normal job. I gotta keep hustling. I gotta keep working my normal job, making money for my bills and for the business, to put in whatever I can into the business too, even though we're making money already. But like, I do still have to work a normal job, so I'm like juggling working a normal job while also running a business. And it's not hard, but I just wish I could put more time into my business, you know. Can't really spoil myself anymore like I used to. Can't really buy car parts for my cars and things like that for the next year. It hurts, but it'll be worth it for sure. But for now, we drive the MK5 Supra. Can't complain. This is a lot of people's dream car, and in manual. It's the best thing ever. One of the things like going into a business that I thought is that like we would be launched like right away, like 1 or 2 months, like we'd be live, website would be live and would be out there for the public. But no, it takes a lot longer than I thought. There's so much stuff that has to be done, like so much that you guys don't even think about, that I didn't even think about. One of the most expensive things too is content, hiring photographers, videographers. Everyone's charging so much money for like videos and all that stuff, and right now we're stacking up content for a month straight. So like every day we're gonna have something to post. So right now we're spending a lot of money on content for social media, a lot of videos, photos, all of that stuff. It costs a lot, and for us to have a post every single day for a month is not cheap. So that's another thing that we're working on right now, is just getting as much content as we can. That way we don't get stuck and don't have anything to post.
Well, I got a bone to pick like roses. I ain't feeling broken no more. Bought a fist that got spin, I noticed. Talking shit, I wonder through the motives. Wonder who the fuck I'm supposed to be. I ain't worried now until I leave. I'm just trying to ride and feel the breeze with something bad beside and next to me. Wind in my face. Don't stop now when I feel so great. You can run till you slip on the sidewalk, and the same bone that you pick on break. That's a motif. Yeah. When it's coming right back. So familiar, never been realer. Never felt so damn good where I'm at. I don't know what it's all about. Running through too many thoughts to count.
That's way better.
Still ain't adding up. I'll let you know when I had enough. Yeah.